So we had a only clicking sound from the relay, but the starter wasn't cranking, so I just get a new relay, replace it, and let's see. Beautiful. So it was a relay. Before it was like 30 clicks, and after the starter cranking, but now it's on a first try. Great. $130 only.